Hello, what's your name?
Good looking.
Hi everyone. So today we're going somewhere a little bit different. It's just a one night stopover. I'm going out today with the Brewdubz Facebook lads and girls, and it's basically at a brewery. The place is called Church End Brewery. It's a real nice place. I've been up there before. Going to meet up with a load of other VW enthusiasts, and we'll see how it goes. So I'll catch you in a bit. How we doing? All right?
You staying the night?
I am. Yeah.
You booked in?
Yeah.
So do you want a reverse park next to that black car?
Yeah, can do.
Yeah?
Yeah, of course can. Right, we'll have a walk around then, shall we, Baz?
Oh,
You can give me some commentary.
Cody Camper.
Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. California as well. I've done one of it earlier on the outside.
I've never ever used it. I know you got to.
I'm sure you'll soon get it used.
Yeah, we'll soon do it.
Have a cup of tea in the morning.
Yeah. Oh, I've got him. Yeah.
Oh, it's a twin opener. Didn't realise that.
Yeah.
Electric blanket, look, for tonight. He's obviously just waiting for his satellites to kick in. Is that right?
Struggling for it. Here we go.
Here we go. I'll stand back and give him some room. Are we away?
Oh, we've got issues.
Oh,
I've seen that for you.
no.
Tell you what.
If in doubt, reboot it.
2 hours later.
It's typical, isn't it?
Yeah.
Six and a half hours later.
Nice swamper. Look at those tyres. Don't get stuck on one of them. There you go, if anybody's interested. 15 grand. Not just vans. So this is the Church End Brewery. This is where we're stopping tonight. There's quite a lot of VWs here already and other vehicles as well. So I hope it's not going to get too messy tonight. I've already tried one of the Brewdubz new ales. Catch you in a bit. Bye. So it's getting cold because all I can hear coming from this van is a diesel heater. I'm not quite sure you can hear it. He's obviously sorting himself out before it does get cold tonight. This is our Bazzi's T5. This is absolutely immaculate. Not a mark on it. Look at that. This is the Stormtrooper. Some nice graphics on there, look. Enjoy the silence. So this one here is the Gravedigger, and this one is Fallen Angel. Stay there! I want a bat on your back. Hello, what's your name?
Good looking.